Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Hawes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to record 2 tracks at the same time. But today, I'm just going to show you simple how to just with 2 different mics or 2 different inputs, how to record on 1 track. Okay. Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to start with a new project here to show you guys this bad boy, and we're going to start off with micro line right here. Okay, so we're gonna have this lit up. So this will be and down here we're gonna have this on input 1. This will be the first input on your audio interface. So I'll be your first mic. So say you got a dynamic mic. I got a Shure SM57 I like to use, and I like to mic my guitar amp and cabinet. Okay, so I'll use one of those, and then on the second here I'll show you right now. So I'm gonna hit create real quick. And then we're going to go and hit plus, and then we're going to do a second one. This will be your second input. So say a condenser microphone on your also on your amp. You'll go over here and you'll change this to input 2, okay? And then you hit create. Here are both your tracks right here, okay? So the only problem is this is a little difficult. This is what you're here for. Okay, you want to be able to record these at the same time. You can't do that right now. You have to either record one or the other, basically, okay? So I'm going to show you how to record with both those at the same time. We're going to go over to track and left click there. Everything's a left click unless I tell you it's a right click with your mouse, okay? We're going to go down to configure track header. Left click on that. We're going to go over to record enable, and we're going to click on that, okay? There you go. Now we're going to click on this bad boy and this bad boy. Make sure they're both lit up and blinking red. They are both ready to record now, okay? So watch this. There you are. There it is. So if I had either, if I had 2 mics plugged in right now, or I had my guitars going through those, you'd see both of those light up, okay? And then after you're done, you can go and blend them and left and right these, whatever you want to do with it, So basically that's it. I wanted to tell you this real quick, get this done, so we're not here forever, okay? So, but I will have another video showing you how to do this with a DI box and like what I was talking about, to get one dry signal and one with your amp, so you can blend those 2. It's sick. And with the dry signal, you can add amp sim to it, and you get the best of both worlds. I do this every time I record with, and especially if so I can reamp later if I need to. So, anyways, hope it was helpful, guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, anything to do with GarageBand on your Mac, your iPad, or iPhone, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. If you want to learn how to use GarageBand's bigger brother, Logic Pro, it's like GarageBand on steroids. Please check out my channel, All Things Logic. I'm Jeremy Hawes. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. Yeah, get some. I'll see you guys.